probability concept. Now we'll be working on few questions where combination is the main part. So the first question says a bag contains 5 white marbles, 3 green marbles and 4 red marbles. You draw 3 marbles from the bag at random without looking into the bag. That's called random. What is the probability that all 3 marbles are white? So how do we approach this problem? In the bag, I have a total of 5 plus 3 plus 4, which is 12. So I have 12 marbles in the bag. And since order doesn't matter, so it is going to combination. So the probability, we are looking for 3 white. So 3 white. Now you have total 5 white. So we take 5C3. And the total number of marbles you have 12, so you take 12C3. Let us look at, we know 12C3 is 220. I'm showing you all this. First you take 5, go to math, and under probability you have 3 is the combination, take 3. So that gives you 10. And then if you say 12, math, under probability, number 3, and I'm taking 3, that gives me 220. So that means 10 over 220. That means 1 over 22 is the probability that all 3 will be white. Now we take number 2. So number 2 is telling us that we need to get all 3 different colors. So all 3 different color meaning is 1 white, 1 green and 1 red. So you can take 1 white from 5, so it will be 5C1 times, you have 3 green, so 3C1, and you have 4 red, 4C1, all over 12C3. Now we know that 5C1 is actually 5, 3C1 is 3, 4C1 is 4 over 12C3, we know 220. Now you can simplify this one and get your answer. So next we are going, in this case it says you need to find the probability that it has at least 1 red marble. So at least 1 red marble meaning is you can have 1 red marble, you can have 2 red marbles, you can have all 3 red marbles because you have available 4 red marbles. Now this problem we can solve in 2 different ways. So the first one, you say that probability red will be greater or equal to 1, at least 1. So then this one you can say probability 1 red, probability 2 red, probability all 3 red. So probability of 1 red will be 4C1 and have remaining 8C2 because you need to take 3 marbles. So 1 here, 2 there. And then you have 12C3 plus the next one is 2 red. Now we say 4C2 times 8C1 because altogether is 12, we can say 4 and 8. And then you have here 12C3 plus the last one will be all red. So you have 4C3 and then 12C3. Other we are not writing. If you write nothing wrong, like you can say 5C0 and 3C0. So 5C0 and 3C0 are actually 1. So we don't write them. And then if you simplify all of this in your graphing calculator, you will get some answer, but I'm showing you other way. Probability of greater or equals 1 red equals, I can say 1 minus probability red 0, no red. So then we have 1 minus No red meaning is I have 8 other color. I can choose 3 from there, no red. And then we have 12C, 3. So if you do both in the calculator, your answer will be same. So I'm just saying 1 minus 8C3 divided by 12C3. And see, your answer is 0.745454. If you want fraction answer, hit 1. That gives you 41/55. Now let us look at other one. So I'm typing like 4 math probability 3 1 times 8 math probability 3 2, and then divided by 12 math probability 3 3, then put a plus sign and continue like. See, I'm just doing part by part. So we have 4C1 times 8C2 divided by 12C3, plus then I have 4C2 times 8C1 divided by 12C3, plus I have 4C3 divided by 12C3. And when I hit enter, I get the same answer. And I go to math, hit 1, that gives me same answer like 41/55, and we are done. So in this case, what is important, sometimes if you go like this, it will be lengthy and a lot of work, but if you can do like this as a complement, then it will be faster.